Okay, the safe do come with two set of code. The user code and the master code. The user code is 0000. Let me show you how you change the user code. Okay, press the start button. Okay, by default, factory default is user code is 0000. You press the start, open. Now you can turn the knob. Now you can change your user code, new user code. Press the red button once. Okay, now you can set code. Example, I want to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You just have to press the start, in. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you change the master code. By default, the master code is 8888. Press the start button again, open. Turn the knob. Press the red button once. Press the start button. O code. Now you put in your O code again, 8888. Press the start. Set. That means now you need to change the new master code. Now I want to have 789, 789. Press the start. Re-input. 789, 789. Start. In. Okay. So now I show you. The new master code is 789, 789. Press the start. Open. Okay. Thanks.